987654321. NASA, we have ignition. Will Superman Elon Musk and Donald Trump team up to buy Disney? Will the dynamic duo Elon Musk and Donald Trump join forces? Once upon a time in a space-time not so far away, two unlikely partners may decide to join forces for a cause greater than themselves. Elon Musk, the charismatic tech billionaire, and Donald Trump, the controversial real estate developer businessman turned politician, came together with a bold plan to buy Disney and restore virtue to the children and families of the world. Is it a grand vision? It may all start when Elon and Donald find themselves at a Christmas charity event for children's education. As they mingle with the crowd, the two men strike up a conversation about the state of the world and the impact of popular culture on the younger generation. They both agree that something needs to change, especially change the programming of children, by a deranged, twisted leadership epidemic at Disney. Do they dare to enter Disney? As they delve deeper into the conversation, they realize that Disney, a company known for its beloved characters and timeless stories, had the potential to be a catalyst for positive change. They envision a Disney that was dedicated to the well-being of kids and the promotion of childhood virtues. Elon and Donald themselves may even become superheroes, saving the children of the world from the planned construction of the new Epstein Island Adventureland extension. The grand acquisition. With their shared vision in mind, Elon and Donald may set out to make their dream a reality. If they pooled their resources and negotiated with Disney's board of directors to acquire the company. With Donald Trump's real estate developer experience, he should be in perfect alignment with Disney's main asset, the real estate itself. Despite facing skepticism and opposition, the dynamic duo's determination and persuasion should eventually win over the shareholders. I bet Donald even gets help from a big Florida bank or foundation. Is this a new era for Disney? With an acquisition complete, Elon and Donald would waste no time in implementing their grand vision to make Disney great again. They would appoint a team of child psychologists, educators, and creative thinkers, including Dr. Phil, to steer the company towards its new purpose. From reimagining classic characters to producing original content, Disney's focus would shift to promoting kindness, empathy, and moral values, which means only princes and princesses, no in between. Elon himself can plan on updating the trip to Mars ride with a real trip to Mars. Challenges and controversies come with all deals. Of course, their journey will not be without its obstacles. Critics will question the motives of the two business moguls, while traditionalists will express concerns about the sickening direction Disney was taking. However, Elon and Donald would remain undeterred, steadfast in their belief that they were making a positive impact on the world, or on a mission from God. Their impact and legacy. As time passes, the influence of a new Disney will begin to ripple across the globe. Children will be inspired to be kinder to one another, families more engaged in meaningful conversations about values, and educators will have a new tool to promote character education. The parks will be free of pandering child traffickers, and the children's shows free of sexual content and gender confusion programming. The legacy of Elon Musk and Donald Trump's partnership with Disney will be one of hope, empowerment, and the restoration of childhood virtues. The end of an epic tale, and so, this unlikely duo's journey is just a dream to leave behind a world that is a little brighter, kinder, and more empathetic. Elon Musk and Donald Trump's collaboration can show that even the most unexpected alliances can lead to impactful change, and that the power of storytelling can shape the future for generations to come. This message was not paid for by Elon Musk or Donald Trump. We just hope they do make Disney great again.